Project management entails the meticulous way of planning, organizing, motivating, and also overseeing resources to realize specific objects within a predetermined time frame. It encompasses guiding a project from its inception to its culmination, ensuring the attainment of goals within the budgetary constraints and adherence to set timelines. Project managers shoulders the responsibility of harnessing diverse tasks liaising with stakeholders, optimizing resource allocations and preempting potential risks and maintaining transport communication with all the stakeholders. Effective execution of endeavors across a spectrum of sectors spanning from construction and engineering to software development and event coordination. Hi everyone and welcome you all to this content on project management. We will learn about what is project management, planning and organizing, time management, its benefits and also some tools. So, before we begin, please do like, share and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to the latest tech content on Edureka's YouTube channel. And also check out Edureka's project management course in which the link is given in the description box below. Now let's get into the video. Here's the outbreak of the key phases in which project management is executed. The first phase would be initiating or the initiation. It's the foundation stage where you define the project goals, scope and deliverables. You also create a detailed project plan, identify resources and assemble a team for necessary skills. Next is the execution. Now it's time for the action. The team puts a plan into motion, carrying out tasks, managing their workloads and tracking processes. Even effective communication and collaboration are crucial during this phase. Lastly, the monitoring and the control over wholly the project management. This involves keeping a close eye on the progress, comparing it to the plan and making adjustments as needed. This might involve working timelines, budgets and resource allocation to stay on track. Effective project management is essential for any project, let it be big or small. It ensures the project is completed on time, where by following the well-defined plan and identifying potential roadblocks in advance. It also delivered within the budget by managing resources effectively and avoiding unnecessary cost. It also has meeting the desired outcomes by clearing, defining goals and ensuring the final product or service meets those expectations. Completed with a minimal risk, that is, by proactively identifying and mitigating potential problems. Now let's learn some benefits of effective project management. Firstly, it's increased efficiency. Clear plans and defined roles and streamlined processes help team work smarter, but not harder. Improved quality. Clear goals, well-defined processes, and risk mitigation strategies lead to higher quality deliverables. Enhanced communication, where project management fosters clear communication between the team members, stakeholders, and the clients. Reduced cost. By avoiding scope creeps and delays, effective project management help control cost and stay within the budget. Lastly, let's learn about increased client satisfaction, that is the feedbacks. Meeting deadlines and expectation leads to happier clients. Have you ever thought why is project management that important? Yes, because it is a nutshell project where project management is important because it helps in organizing, control all moving parts of project, it brings them successful completion. These moving parts are known as project management areas, which are key project aspects that must be overseen in the project process. They are all made through the team groups and also having the success rates in a very high process. Now let's learn what are the tools used in the project management. There are a wide range of project management tools both online and mobile. Let's learn some of the famous tools. Firstly, the project dashboards, then comes the Gantt charts, lastly the Kanban boards. The project dashboard is a project tracking tool that allows you to monitor your cost, task and progress. It's a very useful tool during the project execution because it helps in the project managers quickly determine whether the project are on track. The Gantt charts is a visual representation of a project timeline that shows the project task in one graph. Gantt charts are used in the project planning, project scheduling, time management and also resource management. They work best on the water flow projects. Lastly, the Kanban boards. The Kanban board is a task management tool that allows project managers and team members to visualize tasks. Kanban boards are used to agile the Scrum teams who work in iterative sprints. They are easy to use and foster team collaborations. What are the key project management roles? A project works on best when the project management roles are well defined. While there are project management methods that require different types of project teams, these are main project management roles. Firstly, the project manager. As we mentioned above, the project manager is responsible for managing the project management knowledge areas throughout the project. Next comes the project sponsor. The project sponsor represents the customer of the project. Depending on the organization, there can be different level of project sponsors. Project team members are skilled professionals who work to contribute to the progress and the process of producing deliverables, managing risks, and achieving project goals. The project stakeholders. This is a person or a group when or has to be invested interest or stake in the project. The project manager must communicate project progress to the stakeholders throughout the project lifecycle. Last comes the clients. This is a group or a person for whom the project or the key components of the project is delivered. Now, let us learn when do we really need to use a project management. Projects are separate from business as usual activities, and also they occur when an organization wants to deliver a solution, but to set requirements within the agreed budget and also the timeline. Projects require a team of people when come together temporarily to focus on the specific project objects. As a result, effective teamwork in a central successful projects. Project management is concerned with managing discrete packages of work and also specific objects. The way the work is managed depends upon the wide variety of the factors and the teams. Here there are some factors, that is, the scale, the significance, and the complexity of work are the obvious factors. That is, for relocating a small office or organizing the Olympics share by many basic principles, but offer very different managerial challenges too. Let's see a small output, that is, such as a new headquarters building, or an outcome, such as a staff being relocated from multiple locations to a new headquarters. The project finishes with a flourish. It's time to celebrate delivering the final product or service, meeting those initial goals, but the journey doesn't end there. Capture valuable lessons learned for the future projects to even greater heights. Now, don't forget to acknowledge the amazing team. Their hands-on work and the collaboration were the magic ingredients for client facing, for having successful partnership. Keep your sights on the future, bringing the optimism and the knowledge gained along the way. Now, to learn more about this content, visit our course in which the link is given in the description box below. Now with this, we have come to the end of the video in what is project management. Hope you liked this video. Thank you and happy learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!